Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a beautiful accessory for your craft room. My daughter and son-in-law at Red Hill Fiber & Co. and myself put our heads together and we designed this beautiful lace hanger set. And it is so versatile and I am so excited to share it with you. So they produce yarn in their fiber mill, and they also do all these lovely accessories and things for the yarn enthusiasts. And now we're going to be adding things for your craft room. So this is, let's see if I can turn it on the side so you can see it. It's a beautiful system that you put together, and it snaps together very easily. The sides just snap on and the dowel in the middle, and then you decorate it as your wishes, and then you just wrap your lace around. So this is how I chose to do mine, and I will take these hangers off and kind of show you so you get an idea. I created a little dangle for each of the hangers, and the hangers are just beautiful. This is what they look like plain. So this comes in a plain, very light colored wood, and you can paint it if you wish. And some of our designers that we have sent these out to have painted theirs white, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. And another one stained it in a dark wood, and it is so beautiful. So here is the little hangers. On the front, I have the dangle. On the back, I did just a little T-pin to coordinate with the front to secure the lace on there. Oh, that one's kind of thick, so got to get it through all the layers. Boop. There we go. So that is that one. And then we'll just go through them quick. Each dangle is a bit different. And I just think they turned out so sweet. It's been really fun seeing how each of the ladies decorated their lace hanger set. And if you follow the hashtag BBD, which stands for Bird and Barn Designs, BBD lace hangers, you'll see what each one of our ladies did with theirs. It's been really a fun project. This has been a long while in the making. We've been working on this, goodness, probably for a couple years. This has been in the works, and it had to be just right. It had to be unique and different from anything you've seen, and it had to be sturdy. That was my main requirement. I've seen some that are not very sturdy, and I wanted a good value and a good product that would last. So you can just do them however you wish. You can paint the hangers as well. You can paint the whole stand should you wish. I chose to use a light natural stain on mine, and I think it turned out so lovely. As much as I love the shabby chic, I also love pretty wood, and I love to see the wood grain. So there is that. And then here is the stand itself. So you'll see on the bottom, it has etching on the bottom, and I chose to leave it rather unembellished because I wanted to see the beautiful wood grain. I added 4 little touches of sparkle with pearls on there. And on the side, it's also etched, and I added just this little bling up here to cover where the dowel fits into the side piece. And then I added just a little row of bling down here to kind of tie in with the bling on the base and with the pretty little dangles, to give it just a tad of sparkle. And I love the juxtaposition of the sparkle with the wood. I think it is just so beautiful. And then I added these little feet on the bottom. So the bottom's just plain, and you can see how the sides fit in there, in the, like the little teeth that fit in there. And that is the stand. So I think it just turned out so, so lovely, and I could not be more excited about this project. And because we're going to be launching more products for the craft room, we have gotten together and asked several ladies to be a part of our design team. And I am going to introduce them to you now, and I will put all of the links to their YouTubes below so you can follow them. And each of them have already embellished their lace hanger and have put a video up, and it's under the hashtag again, BBD lace hangers. So you can find them that way, or you can search them through the links that I will post. And I have asked Christina with Christina's Paper Creations, Doreen with Ooh La La Vintage Treasures, and Laura with Shabby and Chic Crafts to be a part of our design team. And they will be designing for us concerning the the craft room accessories. Red Hill Fiber & Co., as I said, they produce yarn, and they have a design team already that does yarn patterns and different things for them with their yarn kits. So this will be the new division, and this will be for the craft room supplies. So we have launched this one. This one is available on their website at redhillfiber.com, and I will also link that below. You can get this kit either plain with no etching or with the etching, so you do have options. And then along with this set, we launched these lace bobbins, which there are also videos for under that hashtag BBD lace holders. So this is part of the collection as well. These can be painted or left plain. This is an example of the plain ones. And then these are ones that I have painted in a chalk paint and done some collaging on, added some little embellishments and some dangles. So you can kind of get an idea of the versatility. These can be created around your craft room and your preferences. So there's just all different ways that you can do them. Another lady, she even did the lace bobbins, these bobbins, and rather than doing them in a shabby or a natural, she did them in a dark wood stain, and they are absolutely stunning. Just so beautiful. So we are so excited to announce this new line of craft room accessories. This is just the first in a long line of ideas that we have for you, and I hope that you will follow along with us. You can follow that hashtag BBD lace hangers to see what we've done so far, and as we launch new products, our design team and myself will come on and do our videos and introduce you to the new products. We're working on something for July at the moment, so stay tuned for that, and I think you'll be really excited about that. If you like this one, you'll like the next one as well. So I thank you so much for following along with me today and taking a look at our beautiful new lace hanger. Isn't that just stunning? I wish I could get a good side view for you. But look at how beautiful that looks with the jewels and the pretty dangles and all the gorgeous laces. I just love that. You can also wrap your ribbons around there. You can pin doilies on there. You can do all sorts of things. So I thank you for watching today. I thank you to all who like and comment on my videos, to all my new subscribers, and I hope that you will follow along with me on my crafty journey. Hit that bell to be notified, and if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love for you to join me on my channel. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and be sure and follow Christina at Christina's Paper Creations, Doreen at Ooh La La Vintage Treasures, and Laura at Shabby and Chic Crafts. And along with this project, you will see all of their beautiful creations. They are three very talented designers that I really have admired for so very long, and we're really honored to have them a part of the team. And by all means follow Lindsay and Ty at Red Hill Fiber & Co. And I will again put their links down below as well, their socials and also their website. So you can see all of the haberdashery that they make, all of their beautiful yarns that they custom make in-house. They spin yarn from their own alpaca and do some beautiful custom blending with natural fibers and some natural dyes. So you won't want to miss that if you're a fiber artist. So again, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Bye.